All right, so today we're going to learn about app, AP app. So let's go over here. So what is this? This is A. So this is app, 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 A. And this is P. What sound is P? P, right? So we put it together and we say app for astronaut, app for pencil, app, app. Put it together, we have app. Very nice. We have app, right? So let me write a letter and see if you can sound it out. We're going to start with the letter C. What sound is the letter C? App. If you put it together, cap. Very good. What about the letter T? Whoops. What about the letter T? Okay. I'm just going to do it like that. We have t, app. Put it together. Tap. T, app. Tap. What about the letter M? What sound is the letter M? M. App. Put it together. Map. One more time. Map. Very good. Let's go to the next page. So once again, we have app. And I see some words that we've done already. Here we go. So AP is app. First one is going to be map. Map. The next one is tap. Tap. So this is a tap where water comes out of. Tap. This is also tap. Tap. This is the tap where let's see, you do that. It's where you make a gesture with your hand, mostly your finger, right? The space in between here, we call that a gap. Gap. G, ap, gap. And what he is wearing, what the boy is wearing on his head is going to be ap, cap. Cap. And he is taking a ap, nap. Nap. He's taking a nap. And this is ap. Put it together. Sap. One more time. Sap. All right. So let's read together here. Let me get my spotlight. Here we go. I am Cap Nap. Come see the map. Come see the gap. It is bad for me. Let's read it one more time. We can read it together or you can repeat it after me. I am Cap Nap. Come see the map. Come see the gap. It is bad for me. Come see the tap. I drink some sap. Come see me nap. It is good for me. One more time. Come see the tap. I drink some sap. Come see me nap. It is good for me. All right, getting lost is not good, but a nap is always good. All right. AR is going to make the R sound. Now let's split this and figure it out. So we have our A word. What is this? This is an ant. It's an ant, right? So ant. A is for a. And this is robot. 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 Robot, right? So it's the R. So we have a, r, a, r, a, r. And if we put it together, it's going to be R. 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 So we have R here, right? So I'm going to give you a random letter. The first letter I thought of was the letter J. Whoops. The letter J. And what sound is this going to make? Here we go. We have J, R, and we put it together. Jar. 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 What about the letter C? R, put it together. Car. One more time. Car. Let's see. What about the letter? One more letter. I'm trying to think of it. Oh, we can do P. What sound is P? It's going to be P, R. Now put it together. Par. Par. So let's erase that and go on to the next page. So once again, we have R, R here. So let's sound it out. We have K, R, put it together. Car. C-A-R is car. Ooh, here we have a double letter here. We have S, T, S, T. And if we put it together, that's going to be st, right? St. So, st, R, put it together. Star. Star. We have another one. We have sk, 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 sk. So that's going to be scar. One more time. Scar. Remember this one? This is going to be J, R, jar. Jar. And we have B, R, bar. Bar. The next one we have B, R, bar. Bar. Bar means it's all the way over there. It's the length and distance is very long, right? So let's read this together. We have, he is scar. This is his car. A jar is in his car. Chocolate bar is in his jar. He likes chocolate bar. One more time. He is scar. This is scar. This is his car. A jar is in his car. Chocolate bar is in his jar. He likes chocolate bar. Ooh, do you like chocolate bar? Look at the star. Scar gets in his car. Scar goes far in his car. One more time. Look at the star. Scar gets in his car. Scar goes far in his car. All right. Let me switch screens. Excuse me. All right, so let's go ahead and go over to your workbook and do it together. We're going to start with our app words, right? Our app. So first one, can you read it for me? What is that? CAP is going to be app, and we put it together, and that's going to be cap. Very good. It's going to be cap. Do you remember what a cap is? A cap goes on top of your head. So it's going to be this. It's like a baseball hat. All right. Do you remember this word? Let's sound it out. We have g, app. Put it together. Gap. Gap is the space in between two things. So what is this going to be? The first one. Yeah, gap. Gap, gap, gap. The next one we have n, app. Put it together. Nap, right? A nap is something that it means you sleep for a little bit, right? You sleep for a little while. And this is going to be right here, nap. The next one we have map, right? App, map. Map is something that we use when we get lost. We need to look at this so we can find our right direction. Right here, map. Another one we have, what is this? We have app, put it together, sap. Sap. Now, sap is something that comes out of a tree, like a maple tree, and that's how you get maple syrup, right? We need its sap right here. Next one we have app, and we put it together, tap, 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 tap. And that's gonna go here. It's like the faucet where the water comes out. Good job. Now we're going to stretch the sounds. Let's go ahead and stretch the sounds. The beginning sound is going to be, so let's look at the meaning. The meaning, do you remember what this is? It's the space in between right here. So do you remember? It's going to be g, 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 a, a, p. Very good. Good job. And together, that's going to make gap. G-A-P is gap. All right, here we go. We have, what is this? Do you remember? This is like a hat, but it's another word for it. It's a cap. So it's going to start with C, A, P. Very good. All right, so you remember what this is? This is the thing that we use when we get lost. It's going to be a map. Very good. It's going to be a map. So it's going to start with M. Good, not S. A, P. Map. All right, what is this? This is going to be tap. One more time, tap. And this starts with T, A, and P. Very good. And this one is going to be nap. One more time, nap. So it's going to start with N, N, A, P. And finally, this is going to be sap. One more time, sap. So it's going to start with S, A, P. And we put it together, sap. One more time, sap. All right. So this is write and find, right? So go ahead and do your word search here. Go ahead and search for the words. This won't be that hard. Let's go ahead and write this together. The first one here, what is this? This is going to be gap. One more time, gap. So how do we spell that? It's going to be G A P. The next one, what is this? This is a map. Very good. One more time, map. So it's going to be M A P. Next one we have here is going to be tap. Tap, right? So we have T A P. Good. The next one we have nap, right? Nap. Nap is N. A is A. And we have P. And what is this one? This one is going to be cap. Cap, right? So we have C, very good. A, very nice. And we have P. Last one, we have sap, right? So we have S, A, P. Very good. Good job. Let's see. So go ahead here, you can cut these out and you can write in your sight words, your mom or dad. We have come and for, so go ahead and write those in. Let's talk about this one here. We have, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? What color do you like the most? Which one do you like the best? What is your favorite color? Before we answer the question, let's go throughout our colors. We have red, blue, black, orange, purple, gray, yellow, pink, white, green, and brown. So what is your favorite color? And go ahead and write it in. My favorite color is blue. I think I like the color blue. So my favorite color is blue. B, whoops, L, U, E, blue. So go ahead and color in this crayon picture. And over here on the side, you can create by cutting right here and cutting right here. You can make your word family slider and match the letters onto the app to make your words. So let's go ahead and continue our workbook on R. So here we go. The first one is going to be bar, right? Bar. So which one is bar? Where do I stop? Right here, right? So this is going to be bar. The next one is going to be R. Car. Which one is car? Right here. The next one is going to be R. Put it together. Far, right? Far, far away, all the way over there. Next one is going to be R. Put it together. Jar. Jar is going to be right here, like a jar of cookies, right? The next one is R. Star. Star is very easy. The next one is going to be R. Scar. Scar. Very good, scar. Right here. Yep, he has a little scar on his forehead, right? So let's go ahead and stretch the sounds. We're going to stretch the sounds. The first one we have is going to be car. So let's sound it out. We have C, A, A, R, R, or it's going to be the R, car, C-A-R. What's this one? This one is bar, right? So the beginning sound is B, B, A, A, R. The next one is going to be far. One more time, far. Beginning sound, F. Middle, A, A, R. So it's going to be R, far. The next one is what's on his forehead. It's going to be a scar. One more time, scar. S-C, sk. A, R, scar. The next one we have jar. One more time, jar. J, A, A, R, jar. Last one we have star. So let's get the beginning sound. We have S-T, A, R, star. Star. Very good. Let's go on to the next page. Oops. So here's a word search. So go ahead and look at the words and search for the words. You can do that by yourself, right? Let's spell the words out together. So the first one we have here, what is that? We have car. So let's go ahead and spell car. C-A-R. Car, right? The next one we have jar. J-A-R. Jar. The next one we have star, right? So we know our middle and ending sound. What's our beginning sound? We have two beginning sounds. It's going to be S-T. Star. The next one, same thing. We know the R, so it's A-R. But this is scar. So we have two beginning sounds. We have S-C-A-R, scar. Next one we have bar. B-A-R, bar. The next one is far. Far. F A R far, 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 far. All right, let's go to the next page. So go ahead and write in your sight words, his and in. So here, let's do this part together. What do you like? What do you like? What don't you like? What don't you like? So we're going to be talking about food. So let's look at our examples. We have pizza, rice, steak, spaghetti, salad, chicken, cake, soup, hamburger, spinach, onion, pea, yada, yada, yada. Lots of more, right? There are a lot of foods everywhere. So you can just choose whatever you would like. So first, let's start with this. What do you like? I like rice. Rice is best. So I'm going to say, I like rice. I like rice. R-I-C-E. What do I not like? There isn't a food that I do not like. There are foods that I can't eat because I'm allergic, but there aren't any fruits or fruits or vegetables that I do not like, that I don't like. Yeah. Let's see. I do not like, so I'm just gonna put this here, okay? So here we go. I do not like pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Oops, it's very hard to write with this. But go ahead and write what you like and what you don't like. The yucky food. I think pizza is okay, but you know, I just put it down there. And then go ahead and draw the food that you like and you don't like on your plate. And then we have pictures here that you can cut out and use to talk about and discuss. And next here, once again, a work family slider. You know how to do this, right? You cut right here, and you cut right here, and cut it out, and you slide this long strip of paper in, and you're going to make the word. As you slide them through, you're going to match it with these pictures and make the words. So go ahead and do that by yourself or with your mom or dad. And that concludes week 4. Good job, everyone.